Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this expression may be incorrect also. Just I'm putting roughly to explain the concept. So earlier, what I used to do, I term I plus what I plus one term, then I divide it. After dividing, I remove the factorial because that time you don't know what is factorial and you don't know how to write the program subprogram for factorial. Now you are in the position how to write the function subprogram. Now, if this is the expression, okay, so how to write the program? What is the input for this program? For this series, what is the input? Let's see this. Make it bigger. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Make it zoom full screen.
Sir, for full screen, sir, you have to double tap your
Spot
icon.
na.
Yes, sir.
Double tap where?
Sir, in your video.
No, it's not coming. I have tapped it now. It's not coming.
Sir, or make it pin.
Pin means
Sir, you can pin the video.
मोबाइल में नहीं होता है.
no, it's not coming here. From your side, it's not possible.
Sir, from my side, I have already made it into a spotlight video.
Acha, for you people is becoming bigger, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you see. What is our input? The maximum term, that is n, and the value of x. That's why I'm putting input x and n. I'm giving input. Don't put like that way. This should be scanf. Okay. Now I repeat one for loop I equal to 1, I less than equal to maximum term, that is n. Okay. Then I plus plus. I put the first term. First term is what? In this series,
X.
first term is what? X. So term equal to x. Okay. Then this will work as a sum equal to sum plus something, no? As I have discussed earlier. Because this is a series, summing. So I am not using sum equal to sum plus. Instead of this, I put term equal to the first term. Then term equal to term plus this one. And finally, the factorial. There will be one factorial in this expression. Okay. The factorial part, I call the factorial. Fact is visible into fact what? Minus 1 to the power, this expression, whole expression is here within bracket. Okay. Into, what is there? Is visible, this one.
2n minus 1.
After that, into. into what? This is what?
2n minus 1.
After that, 2n minus 1 into, after that what? No space, that's why I'm putting below.
xj.
This is what? Fact I means I'm calling the function as a factorial where it is available, factorial. Okay. That factorial I'm calling in the main program. This is the main program. Okay. Now you just write the subprogram below. This is the main program. Okay. I declared the factorial int fact int n. Okay. And this is nothing but calling function with argument. I am directly calling. I am not assigning any variable. Earlier I used to say sum equal to add a comma b. Is not it? Now in this case I am directly calling. Oh, sorry, here fact I. Okay, once I become 1, it will return factorial 1. I become 2, it will return factorial 2. I equal to 3 will become factorial 3. Because this is a factorial. Are you getting? This is the main program. Then this is the sub program. Here I am putting the logic only. It's clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now you see without removing the factorial, I just make one sub program. I call it each time. When I equal to 1, I return I factorial 1 factorial. I become 2 factorial based on this loop. This for loop. We are having one for loop, na? Based on this for loop, it will return the corresponding value. And no need to remove the factorial. So after going through this discussion, you are in the position how to write function subprogram. So you have a lot of program till date, is not it? You try to make only one file, okay? Like switch statement, you make one file, and whatever the program, you just make subprogram, okay? And try to call into the main program. And some of the program having different input. So those value which is having same input, so you can make it in main program. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting? Suppose matrix. Matrix means addition, subtraction, multiplication. How many input is there?
3.
Two input is there. So in the main program, you input the value. No need to put it in subprogram again and again. If you go to subprogram, means how many times you have to put? 6 times. 3 times, 3 times, 3, 9 times you have to put. First 2 is for input, 1 is for output. Okay. So better you make it in the main program, so you can call it in the subprogram again. Are you getting?
Sir.
No. Instead of inputting in the subprogram, suppose
Yes,
I
sir.
want to go for addition, subtraction, multiplication. If I make it in subprogram, means for inputting A and B, total 6 lines is required. For multiplication, again 6, and for subtraction, again 6. Instead of doing this, you bring it in the main program. Input the A and value, A, B value in the main program. Then how many lines you require? Instead of 9, you can reduce it to 3 or 6, whatever. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Those value which is common for maximum program, make it in the main program. And those value which is not common, suppose find the area of a circle. In this case, your input is different. Okay, so you make it in subprogram. Convert the temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. The input is different, so make it in subprogram. For addition, subtraction, multiplication of two number, input is same, so make it in main program. Okay. So this is all about your function subprogram. And if you having query, better you try to practice in your system. Okay, then your idea will be clear. And you try to solve cos x e to the power x. So many series is there. We're having factorial, and try to solve it.
Sir.
First, you try to find the n term. This is in fact not correct. I have discussed how to find the n term. Once n term is there, then just very simple. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So next class I will come with new topics. For today, I think it is enough.
Sir.
Just go through the same time. Go through the books. Okay.
सर
Ask.
सर वो रिटर्न में सर रिटर्न सी अगर होता है तो सी रिटर्न होता है, लेकिन अगर कोई वेरिएबल ना हो, सिर्फ रिटर्न के बाद सेमीकोलन हो, तो उसका क्या मतलब होता है सर? वो समझ में नहीं आया।
मतलब वही हम तुमको बोला है ना, there are 4 types of what function. Function, return with argument, function with argument and with return. And whatever I have given in the example, this is this case. Function with argument and with return, both is there. Some of the function is there who is having no argument but return is there. Some of the function is there where having argument, no return. Return C, whatever I am giving, return C means what is the outcome from the subprogram. It will return to the main program.
सर अगर रिटर्न सी नहीं रहेगा तो रिटर्न में क्या करेगा? पूरा प्रोग्राम को रिटर्न करेगा क्या?
Return, then there being no argument. If there being no argument, no need to go for C. That's why I told you now, just go through the books, but for rest of the example. I am giving only one example. Okay, I am giving the example of function with return and with argument. In the books, rest 3 is there, example is with there. Just go through it, then your idea will be. Otherwise, in the next class, I will explain.
So which book is good?
Any book you can follow. Better go for one new book is there. I forget the name. Balaguswami is there.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
You go to the Balaguswami book. It's there. You just take one example and try to solve it. Different type. Means I am talking about 4 type of function. Na? Take all the thing. And for other series, you try to solve it. I am giving for sin x. They are being e to the power x cos x. Okay. And try to solve all the problem using function subprogram. Matrix addition, subtraction, multiplication, it is quite bigger, and better try to solve that one. Then your idea will be clear. In matrix, how many input is there? What will be the argument? And one thing I forget to tell, there are being 2 type of function subprogram. Okay. Subprogram having two types. One is function subprogram. Another is anyone? Another is subroutine subprogram.
Recursion.
Recursion is another concept. One is function subprogram, another is subroutine subprogram. The concept is slightly different. Function subprogram always return one value. Okay, like addition of two numbers. What is the outcome? How many value?
1.
1. Find the factorial of a given number. How many value?
1.
1. So if I ask you add the array, two-dimensional array, two array, add it. How many outcome? Add two-dimensional array with suppose 3 by 3. How many outcome? Addition of two matrix. Okay. 3 by 3. How many outcome?
9.
9. So 9 means more than 1. Then function subprogram concept is not there. Okay. You can't return C. Right now you are returning C, returning fact. Are you getting? Because these are the simple program, single number. But while you are returning more than one value, then you have to use subroutine subprogram. That case, you can't put return C, return fact like this way. Just you have to put return only. It's clear? That is called subroutine subprogram. Are you getting? What is the difference?
Sir, outcome is 1 and 1 outcome is
return.
Function subprogram always return 1. 1 means one value. I'm not giving one single one. It returns one value. A subroutine subprogram returns more than one value. And when you have more than one value, you can't put return C. C is a single number. Okay. And while using function subprogram, you can put return single value, whatever that is. That is a concept you have to clear. And recursion is another concept. Recursion means same formula you are using again and again. That is called recursion. For example, can you tell same formula you are using again and again? Any example?
Factorial.
Factorial. Any more?
Series of
series. Some type of series is there. With what is the name? Or not all series. Same formula repeat again and again.
Fibonacci series.
Yeah, Fibonacci series. Like this, so many examples is there. In that case, you have to use this recursion. And for recursion concept is slightly different. I will tell later. So all are the things. Next, I will come to the next topic that is a little bit complex. That is called pointer. Okay. And if you have books, just go through first 1 or 2 pages so that it will be easier for you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
The conclusion is that till now we have int A5 and int 5. Okay. All are what? Int A, int 5, int 5. All are all are what?
Input variable.
All are variable. Okay. Not input. All are variable, but the definition is different. This is a Single variable. Single variable means it will occupy only one space. This is the concept. Once you put int a, computer will occupy this thing. Address is given by the system, data, whatever you are putting, and A is the identification. Okay. And if I go for this, what happens?
Multiple data.
It will occupy 5 consecutive memory locations. Okay, consecutive, like this way: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Identification is your A, means variable name is your A, and here you will have the addresses. In this case, addresses is this. This is given by the system, but in this case, the address is assigned by you. Be careful. Here address is given by the system, but here address is assigned by you, like int A, means you are occupying 5 space. Okay, and whatever available is the data, what is available here, and this should be homogeneous. Homogeneous means
Same type.
same data type. If integer means all integer, float means all float, not mix. Now this is means it will occupy 5 row, okay, and 5 column. So total how many space will be there? How many space?
25.
25.
And address is generated by you like this way. And the name is called matrix. We are having row and column. These are the different. And once you are going for pointer, the concept is slightly different. Okay. If you are getting this, then it will be easy for you for getting pointer. If you are not getting this one, then it will get problem in pointer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay then. For
Sir,
today.
I have a question. Sir,
Ah.
the new assignment we have to submit in the same email.
Same idea. If you got another idea, then you can submit there also.
Sir,
Did you get one video in YouTube? Links is there. Have you checked?
no, sir.
One video links is there regarding this subject.
Yes,
and
sir.
it is given to you. It is given to your group. And if you go through this video, it becomes very easy for you people. It's demonstrated clearly and simply. Okay. Just try to go through that video. Okay.
Yes.
And
Okay, sir.
better share with all guys. If someone have problem, then just share it.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then good night.